Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can scan your ID on Cash App. So let's get right into it. Now, scanning your ID is needed if you wish to verify your account. To verify your identity, you do need to enter your information, and sometimes you might need to enter a scan of your driver's license or valid ID. So that might be required for options such as taking out a Cash App cash card or paying somebody for something. It might depend on the functionality that you're using. Some of them require a verification, some of them don't. I know if you verify your identity, your limits do get increased, so it's good to do it anyway. But I'll be using the support article to explain how you can verify using your driver's license or any other type of ID. And I'll be using this because I don't have Cash App in my region, so I can't really show you guys. But this article is quite enough as is. Now, what you need to do to scan your ID, all you need to do is just take the photo in a well-lit, glare-free area and place your license against a dark background. Then, of course, before you do this, you do need to check that your license is valid. You might need to take a picture from both sides, but pretty much just make sure you take a picture in a well-lit, glare-free area and that it's in a dark background. And that is pretty much all you need to do. After you do this, your information should be verified quite shortly, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.